Understanding assumption? Key vocabulary for IELTS success. Have you ever jumped to a conclusion without all the facts? That's what we call making an assumption. Today, we're going to explore the word assumption, a crucial term for IELTS learners aiming for a band score of 6.5 and above. Word type. Assumption is a noun, meaning an assumption is something that you accept as true without question or proof. It's an idea that we take for granted or believe to be true without verifying it. Word history. The word assumption comes from the Latin word assumptio, which means taking up or accepting. It entered the English language in the early 13th century. Synonyms. Some words that mean nearly the same thing as assumption include presumption, supposition, belief, and guess. Antonyms. Words that mean the opposite of assumption include fact, certainty, and proof. Examples used in sentences. Let's look at how we can use assumption in different contexts. First, in scientific research, it's important to state your assumptions before conducting an experiment. Second, her assumption that the meeting was canceled turned out to be incorrect. Third, the financial plan was based on the assumption that inflation would remain stable. Common errors in use. Be careful not to confuse assumption with presumption. While they are similar, presumption often implies a bit more confidence or arrogance in the belief. Also, remember that assumption is a noun, while assume is the verb form. Understanding and using the word assumption correctly can significantly improve your IELTS score. It allows you to discuss ideas, hypotheses, and critical thinking more effectively. Practice using this word in your speaking and writing tasks to become more comfortable with it. Remember, in the IELTS test and in real life, it's always better to verify information rather than relying on assumptions.